Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Alerts. Today we've got a true icon back in the spotlight. That's right, the Dodge Viper SRT is roaring back onto the scene in 2025, and it's better, bolder, and more powerful than ever. Dodge has pushed the limits with this beast, bringing back some legendary features while updating it with modern touches. Let's dive in and see what the 2025 Dodge Viper SRT is packing. Exterior first off, let's talk about the exterior, where this Viper SRT really shows its striking presence. The 2025 model keeps that iconic, low-slung, aggressive stance that we all know and love, but with a twist. It's got a wider body, sharper lines, and an even more aerodynamic shape. Dodge has added carbon fiber elements to reduce weight, particularly in the front splitter, rear diffuser, and that massive rear wing. These aren't just for show, they give the Viper incredible downforce and stability at high speeds. The Viper's signature hood scoop is back, feeding air into the beastly engine underneath, and the sleek LED headlamps are designed to give it a futuristic look while keeping that menacing edge. In the rear, dual exhaust tips and a redesigned taillight strip bring it all together. Overall, it's the Viper, but more refined and modern, yet just as wild as we remember. Interior. Moving inside, the Viper's interior has been totally overhauled for a premium feel without losing its racing DNA. Dodge has integrated Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber throughout the cabin, creating a balance of luxury and sportiness. The seats are aggressively bolstered to keep you locked in, whether you're hitting the track or taking a long drive. For tech lovers, Dodge has equipped the 2025 Viper with a 10.2-inch touchscreen with their Uconnect 5 system. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system, all designed to keep your focus on the drive. Plus, the Viper features a premium Harman Kardon audio system, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes when you're not listening to the roar of the engine. Performance all right. Let's get to the heart of this beast performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Viper SRT houses a monstrous 8.4-liter V10 engine. Yes, Dodge kept the V10, but they've refined it to squeeze out even more power. You're looking at around 720 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque, making this Viper one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines on the market. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Dodge Viper SRT starts at around $120,000. With a few optional packages, like the Track Pack or the Carbon Fiber Performance Pack, you're looking at a price that can easily reach around $150,000. For a car that offers this level of performance, exclusivity, and raw driving thrill, it's worth every penny if you're a Viper enthusiast or a serious sports car lover. Thanks for tuning in to Car Alerts. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, breakdowns, and everything in between. Let us know in the comments, would you take the new Viper out for a spin? Until next time, keep revving that engine and stay alert.